Pag pinanood nyo, yung napapagaling yung team niya. Gumagaling yung kakampi niya, nakakakontrol sila. Hindi nakakascore sa kanila at nalalamangan nila yung kalaban. Yun, basic.
For a more simple explanation, Kines getting into the passing lane. 4-on-1, Kines with the left hand.
You gotta get him going. Gillian Kines.
First field goal for Kines, and he's only taken 3 shots so far. Rosales misses that time. Ball goes to the Greenies. Let's check out what happened here. Kines, just interfering, disrupting that play. And it ends with his first basket here in Game 3.
Aatakihin na naman nila. Number 1 team when it comes to pace. Ito nakita mo, disiplinado, loaded. Early blitz to, kaya pinapatabi na ni Kines yung banda. Eh, no?
Yeah.
Backline defense.
Kines drops in the triple. Gillian Kines, a 17-point lead. Kines drops his defender and nails the short stab. Fire extinguisher provided by Kines. They need more of that if they want to make a game out of this. 15-point lead for Perpetual. And they can afford that because
Lalim eh.
lalim ng lineup nila. Kines, squeezing one in. Ang daming pinagdaanan doon ni Gillian Kines bago nakuha yung basket.
Ian Gomez yung nakatapat sa kanya. He can easily elevate over him. Ayun, nandun na naman. 5 ang nakapalibot kay Gillian Kines. Naka-strong side help na nga. Wala na silang pakialam eh. Pag nag-bad shot kayo or turnover, ta-transition kayo kasi yan ang ginagawa namin everyday. Rarat-rat kami off a stop.
83-55 now. Salt to the wound for Perpetual.